Tired of the same old notification sounds on Telegram? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to change those notification sounds on your Android device. Let's dive right in and get started. Go to the Telegram app. Open the chat with the contact whose notification sound you want to change. After that, tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner. Then select Mute. Next, tap on Customize. Now tap on Sound. Choose a sound from the list provided. Or tap Upload if you want to use a custom audio file. And that's how you can customize your notification sounds on Telegram for your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in more tips and tricks for your smartphone, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.